Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy ETFs in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in the screen. From the top menu bar you can see Trade option. Click on Trade, then click to order ticket. There in the stock section you can see symbol. Enter the ETF that you want to buy. I like to buy S&P ETF. Scroll down and navigate to the ETF that you want to buy, then click to stock. From there enter the details in which you want to buy, your order type, your limit price, your time in force and outside RTH. And also mention your quantity. Then click to submit from the bottom right corner. Then your order will be placed. This is how you can buy ETFs in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.